A common question we get asked is, how long should my sewer line last? Houses built prior to 1975, there's a good chance that your sewer line is clay tile or cast iron piping. If your sewer line's clay tile or cast iron, the designed lifespan of those sewers was about 30 years. Obviously, we are many years from 1975, and so because of that, if you still have a clay tile or cast iron sewer, you're living beyond its designed lifespan, and some of them are still in really, really good shapes. If your home was built after 1975, there's a good chance that your sewer line is made of a plastic material. Maybe it's ABS plastic, maybe it's PVC plastic. And if it's those two materials, those can last a really, really long time. We actually aren't even seeing those fail at significant rates yet. So whenever we see one of those sewer lines fail, it's usually a designed install characteristic that's failing. There's some ground that has settled that's caused it to fail, or it was improperly bedded or improperly backfilled, and that caused it to settle and fail. But realistically, if your home has a PVC or ABS plastic sewer line, you should be good for many, many years on that particular material. But if your home was built prior to 1975, there's a good chance you have that clay tile or cast iron drain line. And in that case, you'd want to have a plumber come out and run a scope down the line to see what condition it's in and see if you've got any surprises looming around the corner. Prior to 1975, your sewer's got a 30-year lifespan. After 1975, your sewer could live 100 years. It just kind of depends on how it was installed. It's a question that we've been asked a lot, and so we're starting a whole video series called You Ask and We Answer. If you have any other questions you want us to answer, feel free to ask it in the comments down below. We're really active on this channel, and we would love to make a video answering your questions. So until next time, we'll see you later.